Welcome back, guys. In this video, I am going to discuss one successful attack with the miners and hog riders. Okay, so let us analyze this base. Okay, you can see, guys, the hit point buildings are in this corner. Okay, and one hit point building is here. So this is almost, I think, a bad arrangement of the high hit point buildings, because if you are putting all your high hit point buildings in one position, then it is quite easy to destroy this building by some strong troops. Okay, and almost every one, three of his inferno towers are in single target mode. So it is also not so good idea, because for this type of attacks, like the attack with miners and hog riders, this single target inferno can't do more. Also, okay, so you can see, guys, here in this island is having almost two expos and two major hit point buildings. Okay, and here also almost every buildings are defense only. Okay, in the middle there is two expos. Okay, all the this archer towers are almost in the boundary areas. Okay, here also this two. Okay, so what actually we have to do for a successful attack is, guys, heroes have to do some. For example, the archer queen have to clear this th, so that most of his troop will be safe to tackle one of his this archer queen, and to lure up this CC troops and kill it as soon as possible. Also, you can see, guys, to make a funnel. Okay, so here the queen will be tackling. Okay, in this position the queen will tackle, and you need your king to be, or some other troops, high troops, to tackle this area, so that all of the your main army can be focused on a single position, single direction, right? Okay, so okay, let's see how this attack began. And to make your queen to focus on a single direction, you will have to funnel, right? In this area you need funneling. Okay, so he have one baby dragon. So, and also there is no air defense in this area, so baby dragon will be easily able to take down these buildings. Okay, let's start. Okay, guys, so he have deployed his queen and the baby dragons, super wall breaker, to clear the boundary. Okay, he have used the balloons. See guys, these balloons, these balloons, if any of the mines, air mines, are in this area, then this balloon will save this healers. Okay, and two things you need to be very clear if you want success in this type of attacks. Number one, your queen should be having her ability. Okay, if her ability is down, then the queen is very much prone to be killed by any of its enemy troops. Okay, enemy heroes like this archer, archer queen opponents. And number two, you should be using your warden not with queen but with the major troops like hog riders and the miners. Okay, these two things you should be very clear. Okay guys, he have started attacking and CC troop is lured. See guys, this guy have one problem and you will face in different position that his spell throwing positions are not very much accurate. In this position, see guys, if he have thrown this spell little towards the boundary, like in this position, then both this healer and queen would be under the rage and would have saved the queen's health. But no issue guys, now both of them are in this rage. Okay, and he have thrown this poison spell in just good position and just in time. He is clearing this defense buildings. And see guys, he will not use his ability and not let his queen die. Okay, he have some free spell and he will use it. Okay, this is the good. Now see again guys, he have thrown this race spell on directly on queen, but he could have managed little towards his healer so that both of them may have gotten some benefits. Now these healers are okay guys, these healers are now in good position and he have used his king, okay, to clear this area. High hit point buildings are also taken up. Now see guys, he have deployed all the miners first and then the hog riders. Why? Because the hog riders is going to attack on only these defense buildings. Okay, and then he will move forward, but these miners will attack whatever the building is available near to them. Okay, so he should keep his miners little forward so that both of the hog riders and miners can go together. The warden is with all the troops. Now see guys, looking at this empty space, he have guessed that there may be one giant bomb and also there is one wizard tower. So he have used one heal spell in this position. Okay guys, now the all healers are locked with, Okay, so all healers are locked with the miners and the hog riders. This is the good thing, guys, for the attacker. Also, you can see, guys, the warden have used his ability, because in this position you can see there is so many defenses. Okay, in this these are the defense buildings. Okay, and also here is some defense buildings. So it is a good idea to use the warden ability so that most of your troops may get benefit. Okay, guys. Now the healers are also safe due to his ability, and the attack is almost complete, guys. So okay, he have used one heal spell here. As you know, guys, this wizard tower do most of the damages to this type of hog riders and miners troops, because they move together and they move in a group. So this position of heal is, I think, a good idea. Now, guys, it is almost over, and king have used his ability. Now see, guys, this freeze spell, I don't know he was doing some funny thing or not. He may have used his hills freeze spell in any of this location or in archer towers, but I think the attack was almost complete and he have just swag it. Okay, guys, the attack is complete. I hope you have liked this video, guys. Meet you in the next video.